Hello, my name is Lisa Chekala, and I am part of the admin support team here at MBA. Today I'm going to show you how to update the MBA plugins. If an MBA plugin needs to be updated, you will see this special icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click to see what needs to be updated. As we scroll down, we can see that MBA Report Creator is in need of some updates. Go ahead and click the download button, and any parts of the plugin that need to be updated will be listed here. Click the download button and go ahead and save them to your system. Make sure to save them in a place you'll remember. Once you have finished downloading any files listed here, go ahead and close this screen. Scroll up to the top and click the Open Plugin Management dashboard. This will bring you straight to the plugin configuration page. Go ahead and scroll down until you find Report Creator. And let's look at the pieces here. You have the main plugin, you have the MBA report modules, you have a navigation part, and you have the data access part. In this particular case, we downloaded the main part of the plugin and the navigation part of the plugin. MBA recommends that you completely delete out the part of the plugin that you are going to replace and disable the other pieces. So in this case, first we are going to disable the Report Creator data access. Then we are going to delete out the navigation because that's one of the plugins we're going to be replacing. Then we will disable the MBA report module. And last, we will go ahead and delete out the main plugin since we will be replacing that one as well. Once you've disabled the parts of the plugin that you will not be replacing and deleted the parts of the plugin you will be replacing, it's time to install the new parts. Go ahead and click the Install button. You can select the file by hitting the Choose File button or by dragging and dropping the plugin in place, as so. Hit Install. Go back and install the second piece we need to install. Now we will install the Report Creator navigation piece. All that is left now is to re-enable the plugin. It's very important to re-enable these in the correct order. You will do the main plugin, then the report module, then the navigation, and then the data access. Most plugins have these three main pieces, but Report Creator has this extra module that will need to be activated. Please note, the most important thing is to always enable the data access part of the plugin last and the navigation part of the plugin second to last. So let's go ahead and enable them. First, Report Creator's core part. Next, we will enable the report module. Please note that as these are being disabled, deleted, or re-enabled, it can take a little bit of time. Next, we will re-enable the Report Creator navigation. And last, we will re-enable the data access part of the plugin. Now you are all set. If you need additional help, at the bottom of the update page is a video that shows you how to do this in more detail, or you can submit a support ticket to the plugin team and they can help walk you through this. Thank you.